You saw that I posted that video on TikTok yesterday, right?
Yeah.
I woke up this morning, has 302 views and fucking 30.
You guys are both diamond?
Yeah.
Introducing your champion.
Jeez. 32
Remember
likes
me, friends?
and
I may kill you.
2 people commented. One was like, "Why the fuck would you do that?" And the other one was like, "You're actually ass at the game." And I was like, you know, I'm actually a lot better than in this clip, but this was just a funny fucking moment.
What can I say?
We
this
were
really
fucking
changes a girl.
almost crying to tears in that fucking clip, dude.
Dude, that clip was fucking hilarious. I wish I would have had audio on that.
Just
It would have been so much funnier.
Yesterday,
Hang on.
me and fucking Aiden were griefing diamond servers, so we were picking people and just landing on them to start and punching them out.
Dude, it was the funniest shit. Like, whenever I was jump master, I would be like watching people jump out, and then I'd see one team jump out, and I would just want to hunt. So I'd jump out and then do a full UE to chase after them.
Yeah. Kaden, go get button for me. Dude, last game we were so kidded too. Two fucking gold bags and all gold helmets.
Level 3.
How do we fucking lose that?
Jabez, there's a blue shield in mid
let's go this way.
for you.
Alright.
First blood.
Thanks.
I'm gonna go, let me know if you guys want flat line, by the way. There's a purple shield over by me. Kaden,
Yeah,
I
I
assume
did
you're
too.
gonna grab that?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I dipped it, so it's mine.
Let me know if you find a shotgun bolt.
I have a purple one in my inventory right now, actually. I was just waiting.
Drop
I was just
it.
waiting until I saw a shotgun. So, yeah, I don't have one. I have an L-Star R3, someone check.
Yeah, drop me your shotgun bolt. So I can run fucking eBay purple shotgun.
No, give me that shotgun bolt.
Fuck you.
Place a holo spray up there, and then when people would try to ping them, it would let them know there's someone looking at them.
Joey was. The thing was, when Joey was doing it, that shit was pissing me off because he wasn't doing it like he was doing it every second.
Yeah.
And the sound is so fucking like it's loud and aggravating. Go scan beacon for me.
Let's go this
Yeah.
way.
It's just I hate it.
Like
yeah,
it's
fucking
like some
solid
some characters with it, it's fine to do because you know they're just like, I'm placing my holo spray, whatever, right? But then with like Pathfinder, he's just the most annoying little shit with his holo sprays.
Like he wasn't playing Pathfinder.
No, he was playing
fucking-
Pathfinder. No, he was playing
No,
Pathfinder.
he was playing
for the first time.
Octane. He was Octane.
I have located
And all you
Oh,
can
yeah,
hear
yeah.
is his fucking his metal footsteps. I'm placing my holo spray.
Yeah.
Every 10 fucking seconds. The shit was so irritating. And Joey was like, well, I'm just trying to see if enemies are nearby. I was like, dude, stop holo spray.
shield battery here.
Gold body, gold body.
There's someone on respawn.
Come.
I don't
could
think they
use that.
pushed us in. Are they
Yeah, I know.
respawning or?
I don't know. I just saw there was a person on respawn.
Okay. Do you wanna drop me that bruiser now?
Yeah, it's right
Or are
here.
you using it on your R3?
Close range.
No, I got 1x on my R3. I'm chilling with the 1x.
Did it, Jabez, can you, or then can you look at that team with the 6x? Tell me any people you see, are you brain dead?
Suck a dick.
Jabez.
I'm getting shot at.
Oh
They're
snap.
longbow.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, close, close.
Yeah, they're close.
I am drained. Using a Phoenix kit.
Bitch climb.
Let's back up there.
Yeah. What? Come up
I don't
yellow,
know,
Jack.
I wanna know.
All the way up there. They're trying to finish. One's a gimme.
Oh god. Oh god, please stop.
Jabez, I can get top 4 for you. Are you dead here or no?
We're good.
Okay, so it's Caustic, Gibby, Pathy.
Fuck that.
He hit my trap. Like a dumbass.
Rotating. I'm gonna rotate, Jabez. Go,
Fuck's sake.
just keep
Oh god,
rotating.
oh god, 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 oh god! Fat ass Caustic can't fucking run for shit, bro. Ah. 3D. Where's that? Or was that 30?
30. That's my
Oh.
yellow count.
Oh. Yeah, I knew that.
Taco sandwich.
I'm so fucked. I'm so fucked. Oh.
Keep going. Horizon's following.
Yeah, Horizon's following. She's a little bit behind you. Get to
She's
that
the only
middle
one
console.
pushing you. You just gotta go.
See if you can get to me.
Yeah,
Just
push
run,
all-
just run.
push
See
all
if
the
you-
way,
yeah,
bro.
See if you can get to me, and then right.
Bonk!
You're okay, right?
Just listen.
I
Yeah,
fucked Horizon a bit too to slow them down.
Perfect. Pick up that L-star as soon as you res me. Good.
Don't you dare die on me.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
New kill leader?
You would never expect me to be here.
There's no fucking way, too. He like looked at you and everything.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Might say it ain't on.
You're playing Siege.
Nice.
Right here, right here.
Found dudes over there.
One knocked, one knocked.
Down, down. Firing.
Cracked one.
Attention.
Yep. I have one knocked. I have one knocked.
Deploying me knuckle cluster.
No hits on silence.
Get my finish if you can.
Oh shit. To our, my left.
Recharging me shield.
Replicator.
We're fine. We can sit in zone forever.
Taking fire.
Fall from behind.
Healing up.
Dead here.
Reloading.
It's fucking
Can you grab the center?
Jesus.
no, because he's pinned from both sides.
Why am I lagging so much?
Jabez, I got another.
You good, bro? You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm perfect. I can actually res him right here.
Alright. Oh
Yeah, I'm gonna try
shit.
and draw the attention onto me. If you can get out of there like as much as you can. Only 7 squads left. So that's just gotta go mob.
Yeah, it looks like I'm just distraction this game, which I'm okay with. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and help Jabez here.
Someone else rezzed other beacon.
Broken, Jabez, she's broken.
Oh, what the hell? You disconnected?
14
Knocked her?
Jabez.
Rings
Knocked her, I'm
closing
pushing, I'm
at
pushing.
60. Nap time's over. Took out a joker.
And then
Reloading. Ring fine, closing in 45. Last one in over your slab. That one's
I wasted all my heavy ammo on this guy. Yeah, I'll just take this.
Okay, so how does this work out? Caden, come here. Yeah, I got another accelerant for you so we can literally get totem.
Optics
There's
How
a-
does this
Bruiser.
work out?
There was a logo
I
ult
am Bruiser.
behind.
Thank you.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Is that
You
people
should be
behind us?
So no, that was her alt breaking. We gotta go. We gotta
Oh.
go.
Yeah, let's
Fuck,
go, let's
which way
go.
do we go? Okay, we gotta run. I have 1 heat shield left. No meds.
I have-
four
I
syringes.
don't
I
have
have
any
2
shields.
syringes.
It's
That's all
go
I got.
time. Quick. Healing. Give me a second.
Caden, don't heal. Don't heal.
I'm not, I got it.
Okay. We got that box. We got that box. Three syringes. How does it suck?
Replicators on their way, amigos.
Here, I can grab a shield cell. There's just an extra.
Okay, I
You guys
only
need
have
light
2
ammo?
syringes. I mean, I only have 3 cells and 3 syringes after I'm done healing here.
It's okay. Let's look for some of that shit. Blue helmets. That's it.
I can
No, no.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Not much of a champion.
Just get in here. Just get in
I'm
here.
in zone.
Recharging shields.
Or are they
We're
shooting
just gonna
from?
we're just gonna have to pad out. We're gonna have to go into zone and we're gonna pad out from zone. We just We're fine. We just have to close this fucking door. There's no need to leave that open.
Getting health
Oh, they're coming. I got a thermite.
Octane with an L star. Throw it.
Oh, behind us,
76.
behind us, fuck!
Red shield behind us.
Knocked.
Knocked.
Recharging shields.
Cracked.
Reloading.
45 seconds till reach.
Rezzing.
Come on, get up. Come on.
Knocked.
Someone's got a death wish.
Reloading. Recharging me shields. Rings near with 30 on the clock. Let's move.
She didn't have gold knockdown. They have another teammate.
We just killed.
Kaden, come get these cells.
I'm coming. I was looting the other box.
Dude, that was fucking epic. Good shit, Kaden.
Need some fucking healers as well.
Shields
I
are
thought we
low.
should for sure fucking
Recharging.
lost that right there.
So did I.
We gotta go. We can rotate after. We're top 4 squads right now. We need to solidify one more spot. If one of us is gonna die, or like 2 of us is gonna die, the third one just fucking leave.
Yeah.
Literally just leave.
Just haul
And
ass.
racks. We need this top. We can go positive like 100 points here.
Yeah.
Alright.
I got an extra KP out of that kill too.
I'm getting an extra 20 out of fucking our next placement. I'll go positive 72. So.
Yeah. I'm getting an extra 15.
45 seconds on the clock. Today's coming up, eh?
Kids on top of us have Alistar and I don't like it. Oh, in front of us. Come on.
Yep, I hear it.
No. Don't leave.
Oh,
No,
she's
no,
inside,
no,
she's
no, no,
inside!
no.
Oh my
One
god!
shot.
Nah, another one in. Cracked him. I fucking
I got a stop.
Let's go.